So this is KJ, and today we're building a shade garden.
1, 2, 3, shaping this destiny.
Well, we are building kind of a flower bed around the tree. And so what we did, Craig had this amazing idea. I started doing it by trying to dig a trench, but the tree roots are really close to the surface, so that kind of became problematic. And Craig said, well, how about we get some sand and do like a ring of sand around the tree, and then we can put the bricks in the sand and then put dirt on top of that. And what it'll enable him to do is we'll also put dirt out here along the edge, so whenever he's mowing, he can mow right up to the edge of the brick. And you don't have to worry about weed eating it.
Easy gardening hack.
Yay! Okay, so these broken ones I have found are absolutely critical in this project because it enables you to keep the circle kind of becoming a circle.
They help angle it.
Yeah, they help angle it.
And they kind of actually break it up and make it look a little neater, and so you've got different kinds of bricks through there, so it looks kind of good.
Yeah. No. It's not quite the same.
No, they look like hell. Okay, so I thought it would look funky just because of the way it was going to sit, but it actually turned out really good. Mainly because of my suggestion to put the sand under it, but KJ did a really good job. Take a look.
So, but come on, more. There's more.
I was wrong.
Thank you. So you can see, and you can see we're gonna have the dirt out here, and we're putting dirt down there around the outside edge, so that way the grass will grow back up to the edge of the bricks, and then you can just literally just run the mower right there. And having the dirt out here helps hold the bricks in place.
Yeah, and pack it down, and it'll grow with grass.
Yeah.
And then
it really was a joint thing. We talked about it a lot. I tease him for saying he's wrong on camera, but it really was a joint thing. He
teases me because I'm usually right. Well, I think it looks great, and we've got to go get more dirt because we ran out.
Yes, time to go shopping.
Cool. How's it going?
It's going good.
Having fun?
I am. This is the part I love.
I'm very proud of you. You're doing a very good job.
Thank you. This is the part that I really like. I love the planning part and making it all pretty and kind of using some creative side.
Getting all hot and sweaty.
Get all hot and sweaty and dirty. Dirty. And I'm finished with the flower bed. Well, I don't know if it's a flower bed, but so anyway, so here's the finished product.
Let's take a walk around and look. We have our hostas mixed in with some ground cover, some ferns, and some flowering plants. All
yeah, those are supposed to bring hummingbirds.
Shade to partly sun, according to all of the stuff that the paperwork said on the plants. We've put dirt and blocked it in, so all I have to do is mow up on it. So KJ has a theory on my mowing thing.
Well, it's kind of funny because every time we talk about doing something in the yard, the first thing out of Craig's mouth is, I won't be able to mow around that. Everything revolves around whether or not he can mow. So.
Okay, so let's take one more look and enjoy our shade garden. Yay!